Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a little haul for you guys. I actually haven't uploaded on YouTube for a little bit, I think like a week now. I don't know, I just haven't been feeling motivated to upload any vlogs. So I definitely wanted to do this video for you guys and share with you guys my haul. But yeah, before we get started into today's video, can you please subscribe to my channel? Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you do decide you like it. That would mean the world to me. But yeah, if you would like to see my haul, then keep on watching. Okay, so I went to Off-Broadway, Victoria's Secret, and Bath and Body Works. So first, I can start off with Off-Broadway. As you can tell, this bag is like massive. So I want to show you guys everything I got, which I'm super excited for these items right here. So one of the first items I got were these. They're Steve Madden boots, but the brand is called Madden Girl. They're by Steve Madden. So yeah, I got these. They're like the dupes for the Gucci boots. So yeah, let me show you guys what they look like. I'm so excited. I wasn't going to get these until I was at checkout and I see these on display behind the cashier and I was like, okay, I need to get them. So here are the boots. They have rhinestones with a removable strap. Some people don't like these. Some people think they're cute. I love them. I think they're super cute and flashy and I'm just so excited to wear them. But yeah, so I got these. I cannot wait to pair these with a t-shirt and some jeans. But look how gorgeous these are. Like, oh my god. So yeah, these look exactly like the Gucci boots, except they don't have the Gucci logo. But they're, I think, perfect dupes. And I can't wait to wear these. So I got these pair. Oh my god. I've been waiting to do this haul video before I put them on. Like, before I wore them with an outfit. But yeah, like, come on, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think these are cute or not your taste. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, I got these ones. Okay, the next item I got were these Birkenstock Sandals. So I've always used like the dupes from Target, and mine's got outworn really bad super fast. So I decided to treat myself to a pair of them. I like them. They're black. I like black, white, like plain colors go with everything for me. So I decided to add these to my shoe collection. And I love them. I can't wait to wear them. Oh my gosh. Like, come on guys. Aren't these cute? I mean, again, these aren't everybody's taste, but these are going to be perfect for the summertime, the pool, whatever. So I got those. The last item from Off-Broadway are these Adidas tennis shoes. So I just got all black. Again, I have white ones. And like I said, again, like I like colors that are plain and simple. So I decided to go with these ones. And I love them. They're super comfy. I already have another pair of these. So I already knew that I was going to like them. I just wanted a different color. And then I also got a pair of these Keds socks. So it came with these two and another pair, but I already wore them. But yeah, so I got these as well. Okay, let's jump into Bath and Body Works. They were having their $15 candles, so I had to go crazy because I love their candles. I feel like they last a lot. So I got Mahogany Teakwood. This is my favorite scent from Bath and Bodies. I'm obsessed with it. It smells so good. I like the manly smell, and they last forever, and they actually smell up your house pretty quick. So yeah, I decided to buy 4 of these. One of them I've already actually burned in my room, so that's already running. So I got 4 of these. I don't really like their other scents. I don't like fruity scents. It's just not my style. So yeah, I just always get these ones. I ran out of my other ones that I got last time. And then also I got car fragrance visor thing. So I got this. I thought this was super cute to put in my Tahoe. And then for the scent, I just got mahogany teakwood. 3 of these because they were 3 for $9. So I got those. Which I'm so annoyed because I had a coupon for them and I left it here. I always do that, and then when I end up not needing anything from there, and then I'm like, oh, damn it. Yeah, I have a coupon for hold on, for a free gift, which it runs out on the 28th, which I think today's the 28th. 20% off your entire purchase, $6 wallflower fragrance. Yeah, so those are expired. Are they expired today? Oh, they expire tomorrow. I might just make it in time to use them. And then I also have a coupon for a free panty with Victoria's Secret and $10 off a $50 purchase. So that's annoying. I always do that. Okay, the last thing, which I'm so excited for, is my stuff from Victoria's Secret. Josh got me a gift card to there for Valentine's Day. So I went a little crazy and got some stuff. I used the gift card, and then bought myself some other stuff. So the first item is this sweater. You guys know me. I love sweaters. I just love comfy items. So I decided to go with this. Super cute, thin, but like also I feel like would keep me super warm. Let me try this on real quick. Like, oh my god, I love this. It's just very cute. I love the color. So yeah, I got this. Let's see how much this was. This was $60. That's that's a lot. But yeah, so I got this like as soon as I seen the color, I was like, I need it. So I went ahead and bought this, and I love sweaters. I use them so much. I wear sweaters more than actual like shirts. So yeah, decided to go ahead and get this. Next item I got were these biker shorts. I've tried them on, that's why. I like them, but I don't know if I like this part right here. So I might take them back, I'm not too sure. But I feel like they would go perfect with that sweater during the summertime. Or even like just to hang out in, you know. Loungewear, I love loungewear. So I got these. These were, how much? $30. I just love biker shorts. I think they're super cute, comfy, and they complement the booty. Also, since I spent a certain amount, I guess I got free gifts. So they gave me this free Victoria's Secret backpack, which I think this would be super cute to take to the pool, to like just put your towel in and like super small things. Just then, you know. So that was cool. This is actually worth like $25, and I got this for free. They also gave me a pair of these flip-flops, and they just say pink on them. So that was cool. These were free as well, and these were worth $17. Oh, and then I got this Coconut Craze lip gloss. I thought it was super cute, and I got Maddie 2 of them, and it was buy 2 get 1 free. So I just kept this one for me and gave her the other 2. And then the other free item I got was, I also got a hand sanitizer and passion fruit. So that's pretty cool. Let's smell it real quick. So it's like pretty much a steal because I got a lot of free items. Yes, it smells so good. So I got 3 of those for free. So that is the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please, like I said before, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.